Hey guys, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and doing okay being inside with quarantine and all. For today's video, as you guys can see from my title, I'm doing a bag review, and you guys really liked my Dior bag review and my Dior sneakers review, so I thought I would do this one as well. Today's review is going to be on the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche Tote, and I am obsessed with this. I know I say that for like pretty much everything that I review, but I've wanted this bag for so long, ever since I saw Molly May wearing it on, I think it was one of her trips to the Maldives or one of her trips on a tropical island. I can't remember, but I saw that bag and it looked so good on her, and she just took like this Instagram photo of just the bag, or I think it was a story, and it was so cute. And ever since that day I had my eyes set on this one, and my best friends actually got me this bag for my birthday this year, or this past year, October 2020. It was sold out for a little bit, but I was so happy when I got it. I had no idea that they were gonna get this for me, so I'm so excited about it. I carry it everywhere. It's so good for when you go on trips and stuff, but I'm rambling on too much, so let me just bring out the bag and show you guys. So it looks like this. It's huge. Look how big it is compared to me. I normally don't wear such big bags like this, but having a bag this big has been so nice because I can stuff so much stuff in it. Like all of Kilo's stuff goes in it, all of my stuff goes in it, and all of Justin's stuff goes in it, and it's just a really great big bag to have. It's this black bag. They have a lot of colors of this actually, but I just fell in love with the all black one with the white font in front. There's, I think, like a gray one or a tan one, and there's also like camo ones, but I love this one. They were sold out of this specific color for a while, but I think it does come back in stock every so often, so if you guys are interested in it, just keep checking their website. It's so big. It has these silver hardware, and they actually clip, so if you want to be safe so nobody can reach into your bag, you'll just clasp these together. I actually have never clipped them. I always like it open. I don't know why. This is my first time clipping it, and they actually clip on very nicely, and it looks like that. Nobody can get inside, and I really like these handles too. It's like these leather handles. The only thing I want to say that I don't like about this bag is that if I put too much stuff in here, it'll sink. So if you see this, it's kind of flat right here. I have stuff in there that's preventing it from sinking. Maybe I'll take it out and show you guys. If I didn't have something in here, it would sink and it will just look really flat. Actually, let me show you what I do have in here that's preventing it from sinking and like falling down and looking really ugly. So I actually found this out. I think I was, where was I? I took this bag to Hawaii and I put all my stuff in it, and I was trying to take pictures with it, but it just looked really ugly here. So when I came back, I realized I need to do something about it. So then I put stuff in it. So let me show you guys what is in here. This is so ratchet of me, but I'm using a cardboard. So it's all black inside and outside, and there is a zipper here. I didn't even take my tag off yet, but you can see there's a zipper here that has one pocket. Let me close it real quick. The pocket is just like this one little pocket. There's like a date code here. There's a font logo here. The zippers are silver. And if you can see, there's not much hold. There's not much hold right here. It's all flat. It's all cotton. I feel like they should have made the very bottom like a hardcover or something to prevent it from falling. But if you see this, this is literally what will happen to it. You see that? I don't know if you can tell, but if you put too much stuff in it, it'll just go like this, and it just looks so awkward. So my ratchet ass did this. I took a cardboard, probably from like an Amazon package that I got, and I just cut it to the correct size, and I stuffed it in here just so it would have something, and it'll stay in the same shape that I want it to stay in. It looks, this is so ratchet. But it looks like that inside, but nobody's gonna see that except for you. And then I purchased this. This is a lifesaver. It's like an organizer. It's all over Etsy. That's where I got this from. If you guys are interested in it, I'll leave the one I got in my description below. There's so many sellers that sell this, so I'm sure if you just type it in on the website, you'll find it. But this is so clutch. So basically, you just put it in here. They have so many for other bags too, all different types of bags, like the Speedy, the LV Speedy. So many people have this. Okay, why can't I put this inside? So this is another thing that's helping my bag stay in the right shape. It has so many pockets, and there's also a zipper for it. You can put your phone, your sunglasses. I have Band-Aids in here just in case. I have gum in another compartment, random stuff just in here. But it looks like that. Oh, you can't really see because it's black on black. They have a lot of colors too, so if you guys want different colors. This is so nice, and this actually really helped hold its shape as well, so I might not even really need the cardboard, but it's just an encase thing. This bag is so nice to take just anywhere on one-day trip to the beach. This at the beach was so cute. Let me actually tell you guys how big it is. Let's see. I had it on my phone. So it's 100% cotton. The dimensions are 18.8 inches by 14.1 by 6.2. And the handle drop is 17 centimeters. It's unlined, so that's probably why the bottom has no hard cover or anything, and that's why it sinks. But I love this bag so much. If you guys are looking for a big bag, I highly consider this one. There's a Dior tote bag, the Dior book tote, something like that. I think that's kind of similar to something like this, but I just really liked the all black. The white font is just so crisp and clean. I take this everywhere. Highly recommend. Yeah, I just feel like this bag is a classic. I'm gonna have this in my closet forever, and especially that it's black, I don't think that will ever go out of style either. So my best friend, they got me this bag, but if you guys are wondering how much it costs $12.50, and that's before tax and everything. And also the sides here are pretty thick. I kind of wish they had this thick, I just burped. I kind of wish they had this thick material on the bottom. They really should have thought that through, because I'm sure a lot of people think the same as me, where if you put too much stuff in it, it won't hold properly. But it's nice that these handles are so thick that I don't think it's gonna break off or anything. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys the back, but there's nothing in the back, which I really like. I think one of this is enough already. And yeah, I just love this bag so much. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. Okay, I guess that is it for this video. If you guys are looking for a big tote bag, a big bag to put a lot of stuff in, I definitely recommend this one. And thank you to my besties for getting this for my birthday. I love it so much. I carry it all the time. Alright, I guess that is the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!